So mag-walking na lang kami guys kasi yung tubig hindi siya friendly today. Sobrang baba. What is this? Okay, so yung mga activities nila. Yes! Ayan, mag-walking lang kami guys. Gusto ng asawa ko mag-jogging ako. Yeah. Jogging tayo guys. Ben, let's go. Jogging. Daya mo eh. You say you pushing me to jogging and you don't jog. Jogging ba? Oh. So ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng place guys.
Okay. Bring Sambuco. Bring for me.
I cannot go up now. You see, I can make my way. Yay!
You stuck on it.
This is my husband's shoes, of course. You cannot see any rice. And orange juice. Some fruits. Oh. Typical Filipino breakfast.
Yeah, but it's good looking.
Yes. I will let you to try. Kali oriksi. Lapit ka na kasi may pagkain. Sarap buhay. Patulog-tulog lang. Oh, nag-adventure na bebe, love ko. Yeah, but he's scared about the book. Yes.
Well, of course, many people.
Yeah. Aray, it's a slippery.
Joke, what you think? If you find your dead,
Not so quickly dead. Ah, look. Oh, careful. Oh my God, aray ko. Ano ba 'to pinagagawa namin, guys? I don't know what we are doing. Island hopping. Island hopping. Everybody island hopping. Yes, I will watch my... Bayan, totoo. Tama ba 'tong pinagagawa natin? To asawa ko kung saan ako pinagdadala. Ay. Trespassing na kami, guys.
what for is all these stairs here? Who may create for what?
I don't know. You want we check?
Go upstairs.
No, bebe.
Amen.
We will... Of course, we have to go upstairs. Just... We can. You think?
I don't know. I'm trying. I don't know.
Ano kaya meron sa taas? Punta na kami sa Sierra Madre. Ay, sorry. Before you leave the house,
No, come there.
for me, I also have it. Also in the long I think it's private here. Private. So, Diyos ko, pagod lang kami ni Dudong.